If you're a girl and you always feel like you don't have anything to wear, it's not because you don't have clothes, it's because you lack essentials. So come forward, let me tell you. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal. If you're new here, on this channel I talk about beauty, fashion, entrepreneurship, lifestyle and more. So expect more from me. So let's jump into the topic. Wondering why sometimes when going out is that you have a lot of clothes in your wardrobe, but you don't even know which one to wear. It's not because you don't have clothes, but it's because you lack essential in the wardrobe essentials one by one. And then in some parts, I will tell you how to style it in my own way. So, cause I have tried some though. So, like whenever I do it, and then people give good compliments about it. So, let's get into it. Like you can do it in your own way. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be dropping more videos on how to make you look good without breaking the bank. So number one on my list, we have the white button down shirts. Don't tell me you don't have a white button down shirt in your wardrobe in this 2026. Cause tell me why. Why won't you have a white button down shirt in your wardrobe as a girl in this 2026? Well, I hope after watching this video you're going to get yourself one. Cause right now I'm going to tell you how to style it. So the fact that you can style a white button down shirt with an Ankara pants, you can style it with a boyfriend trousers. You can also style it with black trousers. White button down shirt never goes out of style. Make sure you own one after watching this video. So number two on my list are well-fitted jeans. You can't tell me that you can survive without jeans. The truth is you can't survive without jeans because of schools, running an errand, casual hangouts. Avoid overly thin jeans. If your jeans fits well, half of your dressing problem are solved. Okay. So number three on my list, a good blazer, either in black or in beige color. Why do you need a blazer in your wardrobe? Because it gives that instant upgrade when you wear a blazer and makes you look that rich. You look rich, like after dressing you're looking like one CEO. It's perfect for office meetings, presentations. So styling a blazer with a jeans and heels. Fourth on my list is a long black dress. So a long black dress is an emergency outfit for me. Always work for birthdays, last minute party. Fifth on my list, we have the Ankara statement dress. The fact that this particular one is non-negotiable. You're a Nigerian and you can't escape Owambe. Make sure you pick a timeless Ankara style because there's no way you're going to pick a style that maybe it will be outdated in the next few months to come. You get to make sure you pick a timeless Ankara style so that you can wear it even in some years to come. So the next one on my list, we have the two-piece zero stress outfit. Wear a two-piece set separately and create multiple outfits with it. Get yourself two-piece after watching this video if you don't have it. Next on my list is a maxi skirt. Skirt is awfully maybe casual outings. You can wear a maxi skirt. The next on my list, go with the flat sandals. Don't go and buy any type of shoe, any other type of shoe, thinking that you went and bought a good shoe. You won't be able to wear it after buying it and then you waste your money. So a flat sandal is one of those essentials that you need. Avoid very cheap ones though, because those ones peel in just maybe few weeks you get. So buy a very qualitative one, the one that can last you for a very long time and the one that you enjoy working with it. So the next on my list is a black and nude heels, either black or nude. The reason why I chose black and nude is because these two colors matches 90% of our wardrobe. Choose comfortable ones, the one that you can walk around with it. If you're tall, you know the type of how high you want your shoe to be, average, or if you're short, like next on my list we have white sneakers. Sneakers gives you that clean girl vibe, you get. So and then it's good for students. I recommend for students running an errand. Airport fits. Make sure you keep your sneakers clean because a dirty sneakers reduce outfit value instantly. So make sure you keep your sneakers clean. So the next on my list is fancy handbag. The handbag gives your look. It gives you the mature girl vibe and then classic energy you get. So you having a fancy handbag, most especially in either black or nude. When you dress and then you use a handbag, to be very honest, like your looks tend to come out better, like you look better when you use a handbag compared to you not using a handbag. So get yourself a handbag after watching this video. If you don't have one, if you have one, add. And if it's in black, buy brown or nude color. So the next on my list is a hair trap. Being is a turban or a geli or a vintage scarf. So you need to get them all. So I just want you to know that classy is not about money. It's just about intentions, and then how you like put yourself out there is on you. The way you dress, you can have, just like I said earlier, you can have clothes, but maybe not essentials. So if you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your family and friends so that it will ginger me to drop more bangers about what you need in your wardrobe. Not just everything, but essentials. Essentials. You don't need just everything in your wardrobe, but you need essentials. Comment which item are you missing in the comment section.